Hello, it's me, Space Case. I am the tie-dye champion of the world. This year I am going to retire from custom tie-dyes, but first I will share everything I know with you. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tie-dye V pattern. This is one of my favorite tie-dye techniques. I really like the letter V. Do you know what else starts with V? Vacation. Wear your new shirt on your next vacation. Okay, enough lollygagging. Let's get down to business. There are some essential materials needed to make this tie-dye shirt. 1. Shirt. 2. Rubber bands or string. 3. Washable marker or chalk. 4. Dye colors. 5. A big fantastic smile. The first thing we will do is take our shirt and pre-soak in a soda ash solution. If you don't have soda ash, regular water will work just fine. Soak the shirt and then squeeze out any excess water. Place the shirt on a flat surface and iron out any kinks. Fold your shirt in half directly down the center and line up the sleeves. All nice and proper like. Grab your washable marker and start to line from the center up to the sleeve. This is what will create your V pattern. Next, you will fan fold the shirt along this line. Try to keep the line as straight as possible. Once you have the shirt folded, place rubber bands along the line. This will be the center of your V. Now we will section out more rubber bands on opposite sides of your V. Once we have the shirt tied up, we can move on to adding dye. Start in the center with the color of your choice. I'm using red. Your next color will go on opposite sides of the first. Doing this will keep things parallel. Continue this process with the rest of your colors. Flip the shirt over and line up all of your colors with the front side. Once the shirt is dyed, we will place it in an airtight bag and let it sit for 8 hours. During that 8 hours you will go to youtube.com and watch Austin Robinson art videos. You will subscribe and you will tell all your friends how cool Austin is. Space Case is your friend. You love his videos. Oh wow, look at that, it's already been 8 hours. Grab your shirt and head to a sink, tub, or hose. Begin washing out all of the dye from your shirt. Rinse until excess dye no longer drains from the shirt. Now we are ready for washing and drying. While we wait, you will go to youtube.com and watch more of Austin Robinson. He sure is a great guy. His videos are your favorite. You will like all of them. You will subscribe. Oh wait, I think the dryer is done. Let's go check out our brand new shirt. Wow, look at that, it's so great. So colorful. So perfect. You are in love. You will show everyone your new shirt. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, please like the video and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing art videos, and remember, you love Space Case. Space Case is your friend.